What if I told you the only thing standing between you and your dream business is one small step? So if you're thinking about starting your own business or a side hustle, but you don't quite know where to begin, I got your back. And in this video, you'll get everything you need to get started. And that is the real clue, to actually get started. So often we get great ideas that potentially could change the world or at least our own lives, but we don't act on them. This video is to make sure that you start taking action on your dream of starting a business or a side hustle. So the first thing you need to know when starting a business or side hustle, how are you solving a problem for someone? This is your idea. What is your business or side hustle going to be about? How are you helping people in making some form of transition in their lives? Whether you sell a service or a product, even if you decided to start a YouTube channel, what is the value you bring to other people's lives? So when I started my coaching business, I just started with a what I wanted to do, and that was to help people get from A to B in their lives. So I started to look at what are the common problems people have when it comes to life and career coaching. Like, how do I change careers? How can I prepare for a job interview? Or how can I start my own business, like we're talking about in this video? Or how can I reach my goals or find my passion and purpose in life? And that's how I found the problems I can help other people to solve. So write down, what is your business or side hustle about? What problem are you solving? How does it bring value to somebody else? And make sure it's something you have a genuine interest in. Something that gives you energy when you think about it. Notice how I didn't say something you are passionate about. Passion can fluctuate, and sometimes it's not easy to find your passion, but what gives you energy and a sense of joy just thinking about it, that's where the gold lies. That's where you have a good idea. Also, consider if this is something you are good at or at least want to learn more about. It's okay to start and learn more along the way. You don't really have to know everything to start. The next important step is to start small. You don't have to invest big in equipment or marketing or build a fancy web page to start with. Build a minimum viable product to test your idea and see if it's something people are interested in. The next thing to get you started, be fearless. Just go for it. Shape your idea and start. Try it and test it and adjust along the way. It's easy to get caught up in what will people think of me, what will they say, what if my idea is not good enough, etc. Don't worry about that. Just start and live your life the way you want to. People really don't care as much as we think. They're way too busy thinking about themselves. And frankly, you should too. If this is important to you, do it for yourself and do it to help other people through solving their problems. And this is how you get started.